Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Nextdoor business account to connect with your local community, follow these detailed steps to complete the verification process successfully. Step 1. Visit the Nextdoor website and log into your business account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Navigate to your business profile by clicking on your business name or the profile icon in the top navigation bar. Step 3. Look for the Verify Business or Get Verified option in your account settings. This is usually found under the Business Information or Settings section. Step 4. Click on the verification option and choose your preferred verification method. Nextdoor typically offers verification via phone number, business email, or official documentation. Step 5. If verifying by phone, enter your business phone number and wait for Nextdoor to send a verification code via SMS or call. Step 6. Enter the verification code you received in the designated field on the Nextdoor verification page. Step 7. If required, upload supporting documentation such as a business license, utility bill, or other official documents that prove your business legitimacy. Step 8. Submit your verification request and wait for Nextdoor to review your information. This process typically takes a few business days. Step 9. Check your email for confirmation from Nextdoor once your business account has been verified. Your profile will now display a verified badge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.